This 4-pin female connector is used to make a cable that will bring power from a 2-channel port of a controller to a white LED module. 6-pin connectors are used for making cables that connect 3-channel ports to color LED modules. All of these connectors have 1/10 inch or 2.54 millimeter spacing. This video demonstrates how to mount this 4-conductor female connector onto a cable. Looking face on at this plug that supplies power are 4 pins. From left to right, these are warm ground, warm power, cool ground, and cool power. You will need to repeat the following procedure for each of the pins in the connector you are using to terminate a cable. Strip about 2.5 millimeters of insulation off the ends of each wire. The wire inserts at the tab end of the pin. The tabs that are at the very end are crimped to hold the insulated wire. The tabs that are toward the middle of the pin hold the bare wire. To obtain the best contact between pin and wire, you can add solder here, but keep in mind that the whole pin will get very hot and can melt the insulation here. The crimping method used with these pins is intended to be solderless. It is usually easiest to prepare all of the pins in this way before trying to insert them into the connector housing. Once a pin has been crimped onto its wire, it can be inserted into the plug housing. The bottom of the pin has a rear projecting prong that only permits the pin to be inserted. Once the pin has been seated into the plug housing, you will be unable to remove it. Forcing removal will damage the pin's prong. This end of your cable is now ready to supply power to an LED module. If you need to remove a pin, then you can depress the prong through a rectangular access hole at the bottom of the housing. Use a sharp probe such as a needle while gently pulling the wire out. Don't press or pull too hard or you can damage the prong.